Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a DEF pump on a Ram 2500. Begin by disconnecting the battery and relieving any pressure in the DEF system. I will walk you through removing panels, locating the pump, and safely draining fluid while keeping parts organized. Follow my torque and connector tips to avoid leaks and error codes. By the end, you should have a secure, tested install, and a clear post-repair checklist. In this video, I will show how to replace a DEF pump on a Ram 2500. Start by gaining access to the pump and clearing the surrounding area for tools and parts. Carefully disconnect electrical plugs and sensor connectors, then cap open lines to avoid contamination. Loosen mounting bolts while supporting the unit, then remove the pump straight out to prevent strain on fittings. Keep hardware organized and inspect seals for wear before installing the new pump. In this video, I will show how to replace a DEF pump on a Ram 2500. Position the new pump, align mounting holes, and loosely thread bolts until everything seats correctly. Reconnect lines and electrical connectors in the same labeled order, then torque bolts to spec to avoid distortion. Refill the DEF tank if needed, bleed the system per manufacturer steps, and clear any stored fault codes with a scanner. Run a test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.